my name's Marie with Vintage Statements, and I'm going to show you guys how I redo a dresser for a client. They dropped it off last night, and they wanted it to be a beautiful white dresser, so that's what we're going to do for them. Is we now are going to remove the hardware, sand, then we're going to go ahead and wash it all off and paint it. So you might be asking yourself, well, why is she going to sand if she's using the amazing Dixie Belle Fluff Chalk Paint? Well, it's because Brant and I really like to sand our products down, and that's what we choose to do. So just know when you're watching this video, you don't have to take that extra step, but it's something that we do. So follow along and let me know what you think at the end. Let me just come back downstairs. That's all done. We even found this cool magnifying glass, so I'm sure our clients will be super excited to get this back because this is way cool. So I'm just going to do a quick little sand across the drawers and across the base of the dresser, and then we will get it cleaned off and get the first layer of paint on today. We've got all of the drawers sanded and the base of the dresser. I just put a little bit of water into a beautiful shining bucket and got right. Brant loves to pretend like he works so hard, but really, just like all of this equipment works hard. Look at all of this. Good Lord. Anyway, we're going to wipe it off. We're going to clean it up. A little spit shine. Just joking. I swear I'm not spitting on your dresser. But we'll get it cleaned up. Then we'll get our first layer of paint on. Let that dry. It dries super fast. It's chalk paint. We live in Arizona. So it's, well, today actually it's beautiful. It's probably like in the 80s. But last weekend it was close to 100. So it's crazy how hot it gets here. But anyway, we're going to use that beautiful Dixie Belle Fluff paint. We'll get the first layer on and let you know how it goes. So we got the first layer on. Looks awesome. We're gonna lift it this time, put the dresser up on blocks, and then get the second layer of paint on. Because she doesn't want the product to be scuffed, we'll see if it needs that third layer of paint or what it's gonna need, or if it just needs maybe some touch-ups. So follow along and see how it goes. So we got the second layer on. Because she wants it to be a pure white and not sanding like we talked about, I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick little another layer with a little bit of touch-ups, probably not a full layer. So we've got our Dixie Belle Fluff, and we're going to just get at it. It's already dry. It got done. It was dried as fast as possible with the beautiful Arizona sun. So now we're going to put the hardware on. Let's show you the finished product and let us know what you think. Voila! Beautiful. Hopefully that they like it. We'll get it all of the hardware on. Go ahead and just stage a picture for you, and then we'll show you at the end. Voila, and just like that, we've got a finished dresser for our client. Hopefully she loves it. I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful. It really kind of matches up exactly to the picture that she sent me for her inspiration for her room, and we're really excited that it's done. Plus, bonus, you got to see every step of it, so you guys can do it at home too. If you like this video or any of our other videos, always check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and of course, let us know what you think. Thanks so much.